What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Huawei MatePad T10s Android tablet with us, and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its highlighted features, specs, and we will do all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here we go. So here on the top of the box you can see we got an image of the MatePad T10s. It comes with Huawei's app gallery. Here you can see that the device we got inside is deep sea blue in color. It got 64GB storage, 3GB RAM, and here is the IMEI number. So this is a 4G tablet. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is the Huawei MatePad T10s in deep sea blue. Okay, so this is empty. We got just the SIM card tray ejector pin, and it seems that we got nothing else inside the box. Okay, it's empty. Great. Okay, there is no charger as well. That's so good. And what else? I think this is just the decoration. Yeah, that's all. So we got just the tablet inside because this is a special review unit, not for sale. So because of that, everything else is gone. There is no user guide, no quick start guide, charging cable or earphone or whatever. Like, we got nothing, just the tablet. But as I said, this is the review unit, that's why there's nothing else. Huawei removed it. But when you are going to buy from the market, then obviously there will be a USB Type-C cable, a charger, some quick start guide, and user manual as well. Considering these slots, I guess there will be USB cable. Here there will be some user manual, quick start guides, and here there will be charger. Maybe you will get an earphone as well, I'm not sure. But in my box, I got only SIM card tray ejector pin. So here is the Huawei MatePad T10s. Let's switch it on. And while it's booting up for the very first time, I'm going to tell you about few of its specs. So we know that it comes with 64GB storage, 3GB RAM. We got a 2MP front camera, 5MP rear camera. It runs on Kirin 710 processor. The battery capacity is 5100 mAh, and we got a 10.1-inch Full HD screen. So now I'm going to go through all of these setup, and after that we will have a detailed look on this tablet. And here we go. So here is the Huawei MatePad T10s. So first of all, let's talk about the design. As you can see, we got a 10.1-inch Full HD screen. This is an LCD screen. We got good amount of bezel all around the screen. It's a bit thick. At the top we got the 2MP front facing camera, and then at the top we got volume rockers, power key, and 2 microphones. At the bottom there is nothing. On the left side we got a speaker grill, and on the right hand side we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and here is the SIM card tray slot. The slot is looking a bit bigger, so I'm not sure whether there is memory card slot as well or not. Let's check it out right now. Yep. So we got expandable storage in this device. So here is the SIM card slot, and there is a micro SD card slot as well. So this is good. If you want to expand the memory of this device, then you can expand it as well using a micro SD card. And on the back side we got Huawei logo, and the speakers are actually tuned by Harman Kardon. So this is also mentioned at the bottom of the back panel. And here we got 5MP rear camera. The back panel got matte finish, and it's very smooth actually compared to other matte finish device. But this is also attracting some fingerprints. I'm not sure whether you can see this in the video. Yes, it is visible. You can see it's attracting my fingerprints, especially in this part. You can see we got some smudges also here a bit. The build quality looks nice as well. The device weighs 450 grams, so it's not heavy or it's not lightweight as well. This is a usual weight of most of the Android tablets. So in terms of design and build quality, Huawei MatePad T10s is looking quite nice. We got dual speakers, matte finished back panel, we got a dedicated memory card slot as well. The only thing is that the bezels are a bit thick, and it would be nice if the screen to body ratio was a bit better. It would also make the device lighter, so that would be a win-win situation, but right now this is what we got. So let's talk about the screen now. We got a 10.1 inch Full HD screen, so the display quality is quite nice. If I bring the screen close to the camera lens, you can see that it's very sharp. Even though the PPI you are going to get is a bit low, the display quality is so good. And also the viewing angles are nice, and this is a very important factor for a tablet display because we don't use tablets like smartphones, so viewing angles are very important. The touch screen sensitivity is nice as well, as you can see here. And talking about the brightness, this is the maximum brightness and it looks bright enough. It's not that great, but for indoors usage it is really nice. And in our detailed review of MatePad T10s, we will see that how good it performed in bright sunlight in outdoors, but right now it's quite nice for sure. And now talking about the user interface and the OS, we got Android 10 Emotion UI 10.1, and this is the standard Emotion UI interface that you will see. As you can see that this device does not come with Google Play Store or any of the Google applications. Instead of that, we got Huawei App Gallery, from where you will have to download all of your favorite applications. So what we got here is Huawei App Gallery, Optimizer, Themes, Calendar, a bunch of other Huawei applications. There's a folder called Top Apps that comes with WPS PDF editor. And then we got Notepad. Phone is there because, as we have seen, this is a 4G device, so you can make phone calls as well from this tablet. And then we got messaging files. There is Kids Corner. That is also a very highlighted feature of this device because kids can use this tablet, and there are special dedicated features for kids. There is posture reminder. Parents can monitor what application kids are using for how much time. I'm just giving you a brief idea about the Kids Corner. We will talk about in detail about this feature in our another video. And then we got Phone Clone. Even though this is a tablet, it's just the name. It just copies the stuff from the previous device to the newer device. And then we got Tools folder, where you will find weather, calculator, recorder. You got FM radio as well. And then Find Phone, Clock. And here you will find some empty folders. So you can see that these are categorized like business, entertainment, social, lifestyle, games. And once you tap on any of them, the App Advisor feature will be activated. After doing the initial setup, these folders will start giving you suggestions that what applications you can download for that particular category. And then if you want to download them, you can just go to this folder and download any of them. So this is also a very nice feature of Emotion UI 10.1. And that's all we got. Here you can see that we got eye comfort mode, we got dark mode as well, we got the ebook mode. Let me give you a brief example of what ebook mode does. As you can see that now the device is turned to black and white. So if you are going to use ebook mode for reading books, so it will give you an impression that you are reading a real hard copy of a book instead of reading it on a tablet. So this is what the ebook mode does. Just let's go back from here. It comes with dark mode as well. So everything goes dark, as we can see. It's pretty obvious. And if you go to the settings here, you can see we got lots of options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatever. It's a usual Emotion UI interface. We got biometric and password, but we don't have fingerprint sensor on this device, so there's no biometric at all. It's just the user interface name. You have to keep this thing in your mind. And then if we go to the storage, here you can see this device comes with 64 GB storage and nearly 11 GB is finished because of the pre-installed applications and ROM or whatever we got. And if you go to the about tablet section, so here you can see that we got the Huawei MatePad. It says T, but it's T10s. And then we got the build number. Emotion UI is 10.1, Android version is 10. The device runs on Kirin 710. We got 3 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, resolution, Android security patches of June 1. And if I close all of them, just the setting is going on right now. So you can see 1.42 GB memory is now available. So it comes with 3 GB RAM, and after starting using the device for the very first time without installing any third-party application, nearly 1.5 GB RAM is available. So I guess once you start installing applications and all, you will get around 1 GB or a bit less than that on this device to use or whatever. But we will do a gaming review of this device, and we will see that how good is the memory management and the gaming capability of Huawei MatePad T10s, because it comes with Kirin 710 processor. That's a low-end processor from Huawei. So we will see that how good it's going to be on this tablet. So at the first glance, it's looking quite good. The design is nice. We got two Harman Kardon tuned speakers. We got a SIM card slot, dedicated micro SD card slot. We got 2 megapixel front cam, 5 megapixel rear cam, Kirin 710 processor, 3 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, and a 10.1 inch Full HD screen with nice display quality. The only thing is that, as I mentioned earlier, that the bezels are a bit thick. The battery capacity is good as well, 5100 mAh. And since the processor used is not much resource hungry, the battery performance I am expecting to be good as well. But we will talk about it in our detailed review video of Huawei MatePad T10s. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon as well, because lots of more videos of Huawei MatePad T10s are going to be uploaded very soon. So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.